Good morning. My name is Gerard Cole. I'm the business manager at Moto City. This morning I want to talk about winter. Winter's coming around the corner and it comes every year. And sometimes it comes in harder than others, but this year we understand that the winter's supposed to be especially hard. So it's time to be prepared for winter. First off, of course, the current vehicle you're driving should be in top mechanical condition. You should have a good set of winter tires for the snow, and also you make sure that you have a block heater so you're able to plug the vehicle in and that it's safe and reliable. Now, if you're faced with a situation where you don't feel comfortable with your vehicle, come on to see us and we'll be able to evaluate your value of your vehicle, take it in on trade, and upgrade you to a vehicle where it's going to be more suitable for winter. But what vehicle is best for winter? Well, obviously in our conditions, an all-wheel drive or a four-wheel drive vehicle is the best. Why we say that, of course, is because of the snow conditions, because of the road conditions, because of the icy conditions. By having the advantage of having an all-wheel drive vehicle, whether it's a car, SUV, or a truck, is better than having a two-wheel drive vehicle. If you're faced with the budget limitations and that's all you can afford is a car, then definitely we should talk to you about winter tires. Now, Moto City is part of the Fun Group. Within the Fun Group, we also sell tires at a very, very reasonable cost. We can outfit your current vehicle with a good set of winter tires. We can also run it through our shop to ensure that the struts, the shocks, the brakes, the heating system, the cooling system is all up to snuff, up to standards, and that is going to be more reliable for you. Having said that, quite often there's a lot of costs involved in doing that, and perhaps it's more feasible for you to just trade your vehicle in and allow us to worry about repairing your vehicle, and we can upgrade you to a good vehicle for the upcoming winter.